I know it's weird. I see a really cool girl wearing this. Today we have a really fun haul for y'all. We just went on a big Miami sourcing trip. We're in Florida. We are hitting American Thrift. Box 1, 2, 3, 4 are all from there, from various places. We went thrifting, hit up a bunch of our vintage friends. We went to a flea market, and I thought it'd be fun to go through it with y'all. A lot of this stuff will end up on our web store or IRL. So if you're in New York City, pull up. If you're not here, shop online. So we're gonna start off. Y'all can see we got this beautiful pink cheetah bag, which we used as part of our luggage. And I'm just gonna try to go through this fast, guys, because like there's a lot of stuff. Old school Hollister booty shorts, Miss Me look-alike jeans. These are like capri length by Wallflower. Intense whiskering on these denim mini shorts. A nice black capri. A lot of people have been loving capris lately and we don't have enough of them. Old school Aeropostale jeans. Capri with some distressing on the front. Love that. Dark wash denim short. So we went to the Supreme store when we were in Miami. This was the last tool they had, and we are always losing our screwdrivers. So I was like, you know what? Let's just get a Supreme tool to match our Supreme speaker. I think it's fly. Office Siren pants with like pink pinstripes, super cute tie on the side. Another pair of Office Siren pinstripe pants. You know I like to test and get weird things that not everyone I think would normally buy. This is one of those pieces. I know it's weird. I see a really cool girl wearing this that makes like underground music, some skinny jeans, Isabel Marant, leather vest, another cool vest, business in the front, party in the back, randomly by Fabletics, but like, okay, slay. This is just like a cute black velour zip up, giving juicy. I love these shorts. They're like a silky black satin material. These jeans are so cool, you guys. This is by the brand Frankie B. Jennifer Lopez used to wear this brand so much in the 2000s, and they've got these like really cute suspenders. But what I think would be cooler is if you just wear them hanging down. Jeanology strappy top. This is like this silhouette that I think is starting to come back really heavy with like the whole indie sleeves. It kind of reminds me of old Anthropology. We've been picking up so much sequin stuff lately. We found so many of these dead stock bikinis. I don't know why, but they remind me of like Rocket Power. A cowl neck tank, applique detailing in the back. There was a store called Love Culture, at least in New Jersey, that was like very popular, and I feel like they sold stuff like that a lot. We were in the line to like check our luggage in, and I was like scrambling stuffing into other suitcases. I gave Gabe the Harley jacket and like 3 hoodies and like Haley some stuff, but we made it. We didn't have to pay the extra overweight fee. Some of these tops, we wouldn't necessarily pick them up, but like the prices were so good, and we just introduced our $25 and under rack, so a lot of these pieces are going there. A Caterpillar hoodie, rogue yellow and black. Could not say no to this. Apple bottom moment, guys. Leggings with the diamante rhinestone stripes down the side. Oh, somebody ripped off the price. I wish I knew what they were retailing for back in the day. Tunicky type top, a really cute little party dress. More sequins, guys. Love this one. I've also been loving a racerback vintage Everlast workout tank. I always love their tags, how big they are. Army colored vest, cute for layering, especially now that fall is coming. Little capri moment, super thick contrast stitching. This is by Earl Jeans. Cute lace tank by Moda International. I think you could wear this with like a maxi skirt and some kitten heels for like a night out. Active cargos. They're kind of a capri length. Another pair of cute cargo camos. Oh my gosh, we also found so many bags, you guys. Here in the East Coast, it's hard to find a lot of bags. Places charge so much, but in Florida, we found so many good ones, and a lot of them were leather too. So we have like this slouchy boho one, nice gold detailing. This polka dot one is so freaking cute. White leather moment bag, cute Americana one. If you're going back to school, you could fit your laptop, some textbooks in here. I don't even know if they use textbooks anymore. Do schools even make you buy textbooks anymore? Slouchy bag with silver accents, a little fringe tassel. I just walked into Miu Miu the other day, just for shits and giggles. They had tassels, little tassel keychains available for purchase to put on your shoes. Fringe tassels, guys. They're here. Another really cute metallic leather bag. Love a bag with big handles like this that you could just throw on and reach into without like having to take it off and open it. Cute silver metallic moment. Metallics are gonna be in for this fall. Another really cute one. What is this? Gianni Beanie. Gold hardware, made in Italy, kind of like a faux snake skin. This one's actually really cute. It's like a fleur-de-lis type vibe. Look at this clutch. So chic. Also, guys, side note, I'm wearing one of our unreleased baby tees. She will be dropping very soon, guys. Let me know what you think of her. We found some cute jerseys, guys. This one is just a random Capelli Sport one, but I love the colors on it. Pro tip, always check the little boys section. They have really cute jerseys there. I also love a jersey fitting like a baby tee. BB top with little rainbow rhinestones. Silver tank top moment, very xenon rhinestone belt, like that blinged out buckle by Christine Alexander, guys. This is a brand I absolutely love, but like I feel like some people still don't really know about it. It's called Hardtail. Remember what I was saying about racerback? Look at this insane exaggerated racerback. BCBG Max Azaria top. This to me is giving Gossip Girl. I feel like Blake would have worn this. Blake Lively, or what's her name? Serena. I feel like Serena would have worn this. How's she doing, Blake Lively? She okay? Well, I wish her luck. She was really nice. I met her one time in my life. She was a really pleasant lady. Hot Kiss flares. I always love the Hot Kiss tags. Look how cute that is. And look at the inner lining on these pants with like the little lips. Graphic racerback camo print tank. Tank. Athletic sweatpant vibe, swishy pant going on. Office Siren gray pant, matchstick, cargo shorts. These look just like the Abercrombie ones that are super popular. The little Jonas Brothers hoodie. I think this would be so cute. Hudson jeans. We got these because the pockets were really cute with like the little Union Jack tag, a little flare moment. These Miss Me shirts are also so cute. They have a braided waistband, which is something different. We haven't seen these on any of the new Miss Me jeans that we ordered, but these are a really cute kind of like unique pair. Look at this Cirque du Soleil shirt. This looks like it could be like Cope Copine, Larry Levine linen capris, a little polka dot racerback by the brand Amour Vert, blue denim mini shorts. It's our time, little off the shoulder red sweater. Okay, this is a really nice express bodycon dress with like cinching on the sides. I think they used to sell Body Central at that store I was talking about earlier, Love Culture at the mall. This is like a cute dress you wear to like a little dinner. This is by Cachet. It looks like denim, but it's not. Hugs the body. I feel like Dolce & Gabbana had a lot of dresses with this silhouette. Harley Davidson t-shirt, skull print on the front, quality sweater with hearts. Does it say, I'm gonna be a witch the rest of the day. Denim booty shorts, hot pink micro shorts by Express. Next suitcase. This bag has all those bikinis I was talking about, guys. They're all dead stock from that brand Sunset Separates. Also, look at this really cute hat with the star on it. Houndstooth hat like this. I'm like, should I start wearing this? Wait, I didn't even know we got this. This Coach wallet, this is cute. Oh my God, with the pink on the inside, with this plaid on the inside. Logo embossing, very cute. Nice orange jersey from the kids section. Tommy Hilfiger halter top, floral applique tank top. This is another shirt, guys, that's like, I want to get it to see who buys it. It's giving like 2014 PacSun TJ Maxx. XOXO, really cool halter top. This is by Paper Cranes, indie sleeves, but also like acceptable for the office. Slouchy top, racerback applique backing, striped sequin top by Express, striped Guess tank top with lace down the sides, Harley Davidson short sleeve button up, smaller embroidery here on the front, Rave jeans, capris with side applique, Super Mario Bros. All over print top, loose gray tank with like a little mesh. This is by Old Forever 21, fringe leather vest, slouchy Guess tank top. Kind of reminds me of those tattoos, those triangle tattoos people used to get. Alberto Macaulay lace tank, double layered, really cute star bag. This is by Rebecca Minkoff. I love all of these studs on the front. The leather feels so nice, and the fact that it has a longer strap. I love this bag. This was one of my favorite finds. It's a Harajuku Lovers nylon tote. You got Aaron's Tron, you put a bunch of stuff in here. Mob Wife Jersey Shore coated bag. This is so cute to me, giving Isabel Marant. These I think are so cool. Express, very Y2K, cute striped cami, more jeans with the crazy pockets, red beaded tank top, BB graphic tee, mesh racerback tank by Moda International, lacy lingerie top, flowy rosette tank top, Abercrombie striped top, low cut wraparound top by Express. Oh my goodness. Guys, yes, I found my portable fan. Messy jersey, racerback tank with zipper down the back. I feel like Hannah Montana would wear this. Does this hat look good on me or no?
Honestly, I'm not mad.
Because if I look crazy, I'll take it off. Okay, we have a white mesh tunic type top. Love these shorts. I know Nautica is not really hot right now, but I had to get this little Nautica polo because number one, Yachty is having a huge comeback, or not comeback, but like more love than ever right now. He put Nautica back on the map, so I was like, you know what? Maybe it's time for a Nautica comeback. I might actually keep her because I love the yellow and blue. This was a shirt given to us by a really cool artist, Chicle. Thank you for the shirt. More Office Siren coated pants, Daytona Beach Bike Week tee, another sequin tank top, striped sequin tank top, Hannah Montana. A little Abercrombie tee. We got a little Mexico jersey, butterfly applique tank top, yellow burnout top. I love burnout tops. And this is like one of those like PacSun type shirts. I don't know if we're back in this area yet, but I think it's really cool. Hello Kitty tank top. This is just like a cute Corvette or something. I love this little studded bag, mini bag, and I love the orange inside. It's by a brand called Type. Patent leather shoulder bag. This is by Max New York. A slouchy white leather bag, vintage Brazil top, striped metallic tank top, more denim micro shorts. These are by BKE. I love this Guess t-shirt. This one's so cute to me. Black top by Mimi USA. Red dress by Ambiance. Not quite halter, but it comes together in the middle. Metallic cowl neck, very indie sleeves coated. Wawa belt. Shout out New Jersey. Shout out anyone who loves Wawa. Deadstock by this brand Flowers by Zoe. It's dripping like the Kylie Jenner lip logo. So good to pair with skinnies. I love this. That was what we got from our Florida trip. These are all from like thrifts that were in like the West Palm Beach area. Not everything in here was like, oh my God, that's amazing. I love it. It's important for us to have a wide variety of pieces and not everything be super crazy and expensive. A lot of the pieces you saw here, like I said, are going to be going on our 25 and under rack. There's definitely like some winners in here. I would say the bags were my favorite, and also like all of the indie sleeves, sequins, silver coated tank tops. Comment below, what was your favorite piece? We also have this box, which came from our Florida sourcing trip. This video is already probably so long. I'm just going to save this for another video. And this one has really cute stuff in it. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on the little notification bell, and we will see you next time. Bye.